In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delay or schedule emails in Microsoft Outlook fast 2025 guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to write an email now and have it delivered later at the perfect time, all inside the Outlook web app. Start by opening your browser, searching for Microsoft Outlook, and signing into your account. Once you're in, make sure you're on the mail view so you're looking at your inbox and not calendar or people. From here, click New Mail to start a fresh message. In the To field, type your recipient's email address. Take a moment to double check spelling or add additional recipients if needed. Next, enter a clear, concise subject line that sets expectations for your message. Then move to the body and write your email. Keep it focused and easy to scan. If you're including links or attachments, add them now so everything is ready before scheduling. Now for the scheduling part. Instead of clicking send, look for the small arrow next to the send button. Click that arrow to open more options and choose schedule send. Outlook will show a few quick suggestions, but for full control, select custom time. A calendar will appear. Pick the exact date you want the email to go out. After choosing the date, set the specific time. The time you select follows your Outlook time zone, so keep that in mind if your recipient is in a different region. A good rule of thumb is to schedule for your recipient's working hours to increase the chance your message gets seen. When everything looks right, the address, subject, message, date, and time, click send. Outlook will queue the email and deliver it automatically at the time you chose. You don't need to keep your browser open for it to work. The scheduling happens on Outlook servers. A few quick tips to help you get consistent results. Make sure any large attachments are fully uploaded before scheduling, so the email sends without issues. Write your subject line last, after your message, so it reflects the final content. If timing matters, avoid weekends and holidays for professional messages. And if you're coordinating across time zones, aim for overlapping business hours to maximize responses. That's it. Compose your email, use the arrow next to send, select schedule send, choose custom time, pick your date and time, and send. With this workflow, your emails arrive exactly when they should, without you having to be at your computer